Right now, the sun could already be gone, and you would have no idea. Sunlight takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach the Earth. So the light landing on your skin right now is old light. It left the sun 8 minutes ago, crossed 93 million miles of empty space, and only just arrived. Which means if the sun vanished, this very second, nothing would happen. No flash, no warning, no darkness. For 8 more minutes, the sky would stay blue, shadows would stay sharp, and the whole world would keep glowing in the light of a star that no longer exists. This is the story of those 8 minutes, and of everything that comes after. You're watching Mostly Empty. Small channel, big universe. Tonight we do something a little reckless. We make the sun disappear just to see what happens. Minute 1. Somewhere a beach is crowded. Somewhere someone is squinting and reaching for sunglasses. Solar panels are quietly charging. Plants are quietly making sugar. The Earth is running on borrowed light, and not a single living thing knows it. Minute 8. The very last rays of sunshine that will ever exist are crossing the final stretch of space. Nothing about them looks special. 8 minutes, 20 seconds. The light runs out. Mid-morning, mid-flight, mid-sentence, the sky goes black. Not sunset black, deeper. Because the blue of the sky was only ever sunlight, scattered through the air, so the blue goes too. The moon vanishes in the same moment. Moonlight was never the moon's own light, just borrowed sunshine. Venus and Mars wink out over the following minutes. Jupiter holds on the longest. For the better part of an hour, it keeps glowing, lit by sunlight that left before the sun disappeared. Then it goes dark too. And then the stars. Thousands of them, everywhere, all at once, in the middle of the day. The Milky Way stretches across the noon sky. It might be the most beautiful sky in human history. It is also the last one. But something even stranger happened back at minute 8. Gravity let go. Gravity doesn't travel instantly. It moves at the speed of light exactly. So for 8 minutes, the Earth kept obediently circling a sun that was no longer there. Then, in the same moment the sky went dark, the pole vanished. The Earth didn't fall, or spiral, or shake. It simply stopped tracing its circle and flew off in a perfectly straight line at 67,000 miles per hour. That's how fast we've been orbiting all along. Our planet becomes what astronomers call a rogue planet, a world without a star, sailing into the dark. And here's the part that surprises people. At first, life mostly goes on. Power grids keep running. Phones keep working. The lights stay on. The Earth doesn't lose its warmth all at once. It's an enormous ball of rock that has been soaking in sunshine for 4.5 billion years. But the cold is coming. Within a week, scientists estimate, the average temperature across the planet falls below 0 Fahrenheit. Within a year, 100 below. Photosynthesis stopped in the first dark second. Most plants die within weeks. The great trees last longer, living quietly off the sugar they had stored, some for years, but the food chain is collapsing from the bottom, in the dark, in the snow that used to be rain. The oceans freeze from the top down, but ice floats, and ice insulates. Under a thickening white shell, the deep ocean stays liquid, warmed by heat rising from inside the Earth itself, not for weeks, not for centuries, for thousands of years. And down there, at the very bottom, nothing changes at all. Around volcanic vents on the ocean floor live creatures that have never seen the sun. Whole ecosystems running on chemistry and the planet's inner heat. To them, the end of sunlight isn't even news. Could humans survive? Surprisingly, maybe. Not billions of us, but the Earth's core will stay hot for billions of years, and we already know how to borrow that heat. Iceland heats most of its homes with the warmth of the ground, huddled near geothermal plants and nuclear reactors, growing food under artificial light. Pockets of humanity could hold on for a very, very long time. And the Earth would sail on through the galaxy, a frozen ship with a warm engine, maybe forever. Or maybe in some unimaginably distant age, it drifts close to another star, is captured into a new orbit, and slowly begins to thaw. Now here's the good news. The sun cannot actually do this. Stars don't get to vanish. The laws of physics don't allow that much matter and energy to simply stop existing. The sun will shine steadily and reliably for another 5 billion years. So tomorrow, when that light lands on your face, 8 minutes old and 93 million miles from home, maybe notice it for a second. Every living thing you have ever seen exists because that light keeps arriving, on time, every morning. If tonight's question left you looking at the sky a little differently, consider subscribing. We sit with one big question every week. The universe is mostly empty. Thanks for spending a quiet corner of it here.